Hello everyone, and welcome to CCLingo English. Do you understand English when you listen, but feel shy or nervous when you try to speak? Do you always translate words in your head before you talk? You are not alone, and this video is exactly what you need. Today, we're going to practice spoken English using one of the most powerful techniques, shadowing. If you're new to shadowing, here's a quick reminder. I will say each sentence 2 times. The first time will be slow and clear. The second time will be at a normal, natural speed. Your job is to listen carefully and repeat exactly what I say. Copy my pronunciation and copy my rhythm, just like you're copying the flow of a native speaker. When you repeat after me, your mouth learns how to move. Your brain learns how to think in English faster. Your confidence grows with each sentence. By the end of this video, speaking English will feel much better. But I have one important request for you. Please don't skip any part of this video. Don't think this part is too easy and jump to another one. Every part is important. You need to build your foundation first. Just like building a house, you start from the bottom. Today is part 1 of our 1,000 most used sentences in the world challenge. We selected these 1,000 sentences using big data. They are the most frequently used in daily life. We are not going to just study English today. We are going to use English. Now, this moment, these 10 minutes are just for you. So grab a coffee or tea, put your headphones on, take a deep breath, and join the challenge. It's okay to make mistakes. That's how we learn and grow in our English channel for learning English. Are you ready to practice real English in a real way? Let's begin. So listen to each sentence carefully, then repeat after me. Hello, how are you? Hello, how are you? I'm fine, thank you. And you? I'm fine, thank you. And you? What is your name? What is your name? My name is David. My name is David. Where are you from? Where are you from? I come from Canada. I come from Canada. Do you speak English? Do you speak English? Yes, a little bit. Yes, a little bit. How old are you? How old are you? I am 25 years old. I am 25 years old. Are you a student? Are you a student? No, I work in an office. No, I work in an office. What is this? What is this? This is my passport. This is my passport. Can you help me? Can you help me? Sure, what do you need? Sure, what do you need? Where is the bathroom? Where is the bathroom? It's over there, on the left. It's over there, on the left. How much is this? How much is this? It is $10. It is $10. Do you understand? Do you understand? No, I don't understand. No, I don't understand. Can you speak slowly? Can you speak slowly? Okay, I will speak slowly. Okay, I will speak slowly. What time is it? What time is it? It is 3 o'clock. It is 3 o'clock. Are you hungry? Are you hungry? Yes, I want to eat something. Yes, I want to eat something. Where do you live? Where do you live? I live in New York City. I live in New York City. Is this seat free? Is this seat free? Yes, you can sit here. Yes, you can sit here. Do you like coffee? Do you like coffee? Yes, I love coffee. Yes, I love coffee. Are you married? Are you married? No, I am single. No, I am single. What is your phone number? What is your phone number? My number is 666 to 0168. My number is 666 to 0168. Are you ready? Are you ready? Yes, let's go. Yes, let's go. Is it far? Is it far? No, it's very close. No, it's very close. Do you have a pen? Do you have a pen? Yes, here you go. Yes, here you go. What day is it today? What day is it today? Today is Monday. Today is Monday. Who is that? Who is that? That is my brother. That is my brother. Can I use your phone? Can I use your phone? Sorry, my battery is dead. Sorry, my battery is dead. Congratulations! You have just completed part 1 of our shadowing practice. Give yourself a little pat. You are doing amazing. You are truly wonderful, and I'm really proud of you. Remember, this is more than just an English podcast. This is your speaking gym. Come back every day and practice with me. You're moving from A1 to A2, then to B1, and even B2. And yes, advanced English is possible. If you want to remember these sentences more deeply and build them into your typing muscle memory, you can also use our website. This method has been proven by millions of learners and has an excellent effect on memory. You can go to our website and type the exact sentences you just learned. This typing practice will force your brain to remember every word naturally. The typing practice feels fun, like a game. The best part? It is completely free for a limited time. You can find the link pinned at the very top of the comments section below. Click the link and try it right now. But before you go to the website, I want to see who finished today's workout. Leave a comment below and type this exact sentence. I am proud of my English effort. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss the next part. Keep going, keep growing, and keep speaking. Click the link in the comments, and I will see you next.